friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are good and safe. Today's video is very special. You know what, why? Because I'm going to show you some special mini electrotherapy modalities that you can carry and use everywhere very easily. Yes, like if you're in college or maybe passed out or working somewhere in a hospital or clinic, or if you like home visiting, this is gonna help you so much. Like if someone comes to you, so that you can give an effective treatment with good combination of electrotherapy and exercise therapy. These mini electrotherapy modalities are really very much helpful. Excited to see? Okay, let me show you. Here we go. Can you imagine how many modalities are in this small box and the size of the modalities? Well, I also don't know. Let's see. You know, I bought this product from Delhi, so if you also want to buy this combo modality pack, you can contact me through my Instagram page, physiotherapist. We cannot take with us the big electrotherapy modalities everywhere, so I think this combo mini pack is very good. It is very well packed. Alright, now we can see the modalities. Oh, really, it is very well packed. Now it's open and we can see. Yes. Okay, so there are 4 modalities, so that maybe they given 4 bottles of electrotherapy gel that we use during treatment. And this is ultrasound probe. This size is same as big machines. Nice. And bottle, all bottles are same. I think the modalities are in these mini bags. What's it? Okay, muscle stimulator pen. Very nice. It is same as in big machines. Okay, let me take all the bags out. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 4 boxes are here. Let me open one by one. I really like the packing. Do you? Oh my god! This mini modalities, really, I'm seeing first time. Wow, nice. And it's not so much heavy also. We can carry everywhere very easily, really. So I think all modalities are same in size. Second, what it is? Okay, it is IFT. Same in size, very easy to handle. And wires are also given. Electrodes are also given. 4 electrodes are here. Each pads are very good. Velcro. I'm so happy. You know, I was not expecting this much special, really. I just heard about it that it is mini and very easy to handle, and yeah, it is true. But it is. Okay, they given wire in every pack, connectors. Okay, 4 electrodes are also given. It is good that every box is well packed. It is stance. It is also same in size, mini, easy to handle. Velcro also given. Okay, now last. These mini bags are also very good, soft. And it is nice as they given wire connector pads in every bag. Here also, and it is muscle stimulator, same in size, light, very light. So these are 4 electrotherapy mini modalities, and it is very nice that every bag is well packed with the things. Yes, and now I'm going to show you IRR lamp, and you can see the back. It was not with these 4 modalities, I bought it separately. It is very good. Stand, connector. Okay, we turn here like this, we use like this. It is good. Connector, stand is good. Okay, thank you for watching.